Hey everyone! For this Canvas tips and tricks video, we're going to go over how to reply to an instructor's discussion forum prompt with a video response. So here's how that works. So here I am as a student responding to my instructor's week 1 discussion. I'll hit reply, and then I have several options that I can use. As usual, I can always type in my discussion reply, or I can attach a file here, or I can choose this option, which will allow me to record or upload media. If you don't see this option, click the 3 dots at the end of the menu, and you'll see more options. So once I've recorded my media, let's say I've recorded a video on my cell phone, for example, I have to make sure that I put that on my computer. So send it to your own email, do whatever you have to do, put it in Google Drive, and then download it onto a computer. At that point, you'll be able to find the file on your computer. It's in my downloads folder. So I can click my video and drop it, and then I'll see what my video looks like, at which point I can click submit. It may take a few minutes to upload your submission, but as long as you see this, it should work. If you have any trouble with that, you can always upload it to YouTube instead, and then click on this icon right here and paste the video link in the search field. Once you have that done, you'll be able to choose your video and insert it so your instructor and the other students in the course can see it. Here's an example of what your YouTube link might look like. Hit the Enter key on your keyboard, and you'll be able to see your video and click Embed. You should now see your video displayed. So you see above, we have our video that we embedded directly, and below, we have our YouTube video that we embedded. Hit Post Reply when you're ready. This is what the instructor and your fellow students will see. That's it for today's Canvas tips and tricks video. For more, go to hartnell.edu/Canvas. Thanks for watching.